this, right? Okay, that's what I did up there. Then now you want to pop the thing out, because you figure maybe you're out of some of the liquid there, like the pints on warm water I have in there. And then you do this, and the freaking thing just leaks out, and it'll keep leaking. So that sucks.
Hi everyone, these are the components of the spray mop. To assemble, take the handle, press the button down, there you go. To disassemble, press that button down, pull it apart. Then you got this end, connect these, here you've got your liquid container, and I filled it with 2 cups of water just for this video. So that's how much 2 cups of water gives you. Cap is easy to remove, easy to close, and it does not leak. Place this into here, just press down, and insert this into that like such. This mop base, you have 3 microfiber pads and these 2. To remove, you have these hook and loop features. And then to put the mop base onto here, like so. To disassemble, you press this down and slide it out. So there you go. And just press the handle. You should see water coming out. So here I go. See if I can do this out of the sunlight. It's a bit bright. I'm not sure if you can see the water. But there it goes. Comes right out of there. Comes in like a spray mist. And you start cleaning. I hope that gives you an idea of how to use this spray mop. And I like how easy it is to just remove everything. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.